anytime you touch one thing, you are touching all things. Good morning. Let's chat a little bit about a holographic training approach. And the key here is to understand that anything can be a doorway to everything. So, what does this mean? Well, when we start training, we begin to unravel the depths of different skills. And inside the skills, this trail's getting overgrown. Inside these skills, we go deeper and deeper and deeper. The deeper we go into a skill with an openness and freedom of mind, the more we begin to notice that through a deep undertaking of that skill, we're unwrapping the qualities that can lead to our understanding of many other skills, many other experiences, and many other qualities. So within anything, when we work on it, we are increasing our capacity to touch and build almost anything else on this path, because the components are more or less the same, right? The components of concentration, the components of release, the components of I lost my thought as I was tripping over roots. The components of release, of concentration, of awareness, these are all at play all the time. So this can always be deepening and growing. And you find that through this, it's easier to touch anything. Now this brings us into the realm of, to further this, of nesting dolls. So when you are learning skills, you start applying them into these different nesting dolls. What and where and how can you nest skills? Okay, where and how can you nest knowledge? And one nesting doll, for example, might be the body. This becomes like a memory palace, if you're familiar with those. If not, take a Google, they're pretty interesting. So the body can become a memory palace. And this is one nesting doll for knowledge and skill that I use when teaching. Another nesting doll, a great one, would be, say, like the tarot, because there's so many things, so many different skill sets that are embedded into it. So that's a great one. From there, you can be exploring many things, and all that information and those skills can attach back into that. So it's an easy reference point. Now, every different skill you might get into can offer its own type of nesting situation. And what happens is you hit a point where everything becomes nested in everything. And anything becomes nested in everything. And everything becomes nested in anything. So this gives us a nice break into that, what do we call it? I'm gapping at the moment. Omnipresence, right? It gives us a doorway into a type of omnipresence, into a type of omniscience. And all knowingness would be the omniscience, or a being everywhere type of omnipresence. And these both happen in relation to this nesting doll approach, this understanding from deep, deep within, through work and practice and training, that everything and anything can be connected, and that we can navigate our way through these tendrils, these webs of reality, and the things that we think of as the thing are just little bright nodes attached to a bunch of other bright nodes. Okay? So this can really help open up the mind and the perspective when it comes to training. And what happens when this is all open is that the actual work that's being done becomes very, very rich, very, very rich, and multifaceted, multidimensional, as anytime you touch one thing, you are touching all things. However you want to parse that apart. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Really nice little ocean hike here. Thanks for your time. Have fun, practice. If you're interested in training, we have a Qi Gong course and Tai Chi course on the website, and I also offer some private training, private sessions online as well. All right, thanks for your time. Have fun. Bye.